Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to make parts which have a ribs on cylinders like this. So just start it, open SolidWorks. In here we have open in SolidWorks. We can see in here all dimensions are millimeter, so ensure you select in millimeter gram second for a unit. And we start from front plane in front view like this. So right click on front plane and click sketch. Just draw center rectangle in here like this, and we can see in here the length in 160 and the width in 18. So just input for dimension 160 millimeter and for width in here in 18 millimeter. 18 millimeter like this, and in here have a cut like this. So draw corner rectangle, draw this to this, and ensure for this midpoint on corner rectangle, click this point and click make vertical. Okay, then set for dimension in here have length in 80 millimeter, and for width in here have in 8 millimeter for the cut like this. So after that we can to trim edits to this line like this, and we can to draw in here a circle. To circle have diameter 25 and radius 22.5. so just draw like this to this. Ensure this center of circle, this point, and this center of part. Click Ctrl on your keyboard, hold and click make vertical. For first circle have diameter in 25, and second circle have radius in 22.5, so the diameter is 45 millimeter like this. And we can see for distance for the center of circle to this edge or this face in 60 millimeter. This point to this edge, the distance in 60 millimeter like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this, appropriate this drawing, and in here have a rib like this. So draw rib in here, draw from this point to this point like this, and just click this circle and click this circle, click make tangent like this. We can see in here this rib, this in here, this rib, and here have length in 80. So this point to this point have distance in 40 millimeter, because we just to make a half of the part of the rib in here. A half of 80 is 40. So we can to make center line here to connect this point to this point, and we can to use mirror entities. For entities mirror, click this line, and mirror about, click this center line. Just click OK, and automatically in here we can check for dimension in 80 millimeter. Appropriate this drawing. It's simple. So after that, just click feature and click extrude boss. For direction, change in midplane. For symmetry part, for select contour, first select this sketch. The length or the depth in here in 90 millimeter. So input in here for depth in 90 millimeter. Just click OK, and see again for sketch 1. Click extrude boss again, and the second we can to make extrude boss in cylinder in here. Have thickness in 40 millimeter. Just in selected contour, click this sketch on cylinder, but in here for depth or thickness change in 40 millimeter. Just click OK and click again sketch 1, click extrude boss, and in here this rib in here, the first rib have thickness in 10 millimeter. So input in here in 10 millimeter. And for select contour, this sketch. Just click OK. Like this. It's so simple. We can see in here, this face or this edge, each corner have fillet. In here have radius in 15 millimeter. So just click or select fillet. In fillet parameter, change in 15 millimeter. And for item to fillet, click this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. For fillet type, ensure you select in constant size fillet. Just click OK. Like this. It's so simple. Before we make a rib in here, we must to make a hole in here and sketch like this. So right click on this face and click sketch. Draw two circle in here, this and this. Ensure the center of the circle or this point and click this point. Click make horizontal. Click Ctrl and hold and click make horizontal. Then for distance in here, we can see the total distance between two hole in here in 120 millimeter. So a half of 120 is 60 millimeter. So input for distance in 60 millimeter. Because after this, we can to mirror this sketch or this part. Then input for dimension or set for dimension in here. For first circle of hole in 12 millimeter. And for second of the circle in here, have diameter in 22. Just click OK. And after that, we can select in here feature and click extrude cut. For direction, change in through all. And for select contour, we can select this hole or this first circle in sketch in here. In here is diameter 12 through. Its meaning is hole. Just click direction in through all, and for select contour, center of the circle in here, click and click OK. Like this. So that we can to extrude boss in here, the circle, outer circle in 22 millimeter, have thickness in 5 millimeter. So we can see or sketch, click sketch 2 like this and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in blind. And for select contour, we can click section, ensure you select here. And for deep or high in 5 millimeter for thickness. Just click OK. Like this. So we can to make like this sketch or in here just with feature mirror. Click feature and click mirror. For feature to mirror, click post extrude 4 and cut extrude 1. And mirror face or plane, click right plane. Click OK and done. It's mirror to another direction in here. Like this. It's so simple. So in here we can see in here have a ribs on cylinder. It's so simple. We can to make a rib in cylinder surface in here with love boss. But before that we must to make a new plane. So click feature and click reference geometry and click plane. For first reference, click this face. In here in the center to this face have distance in 60 millimeter. So input in here for distance in 60 millimeter like this. And show direction to the top. You can click flip offset, but in here I uncheck this on flip offset like this. Ensure you input in 60 millimeter for offset distance. Just click OK. We just to make new plane. The name is plane 1. Right click on the plane 1 and click sketch like this. And in here we can see in here for display style we can change in hidden lines visible After that, just click or select corner rectangle and draw from this edge to this, and ensure for midpoint on this corner rectangle and click this point. Sorry, we can repeat. Click this point and this point, click make vertical. Then for the thickness strip is 10 millimeter too, so input in 10 millimeter, and we can see in here the distance of the length of the rib in here, this edge and this edge in 80. So just input this line to this center of the part or this point in 40 millimeter, because a half of 80 is 40 millimeter, like this. So we can to change again in hidden to set with edge for display style, like this, and just click feature and click curve, click split line. For selection in it is current text, and for type of split, ensure to select in projection. And for face in here, just click this cylinder face and this face, like this. Ensure to select in single direction and ensure the direction in to below, like this. You can reverse direction, but in here I uncheck this for the reverse direction. Ensure the direction is below. Just click OK. We can see in here have a new face, this face and this face, like this, from split line. So after that, we can to make a rib with lofted boss or base feature. Just click lofted boss or base. For profile in here, click this face and click this face. In here we can see a line, the point, the green point. We can to drag or draw this point in below and show the position like this. Then after that, just click OK, and done. We just to make a rib, first rib. So we can to make another rib in here like this way. It's so simple. Right click on this face and click sketch again. And for display, click again in say hidden line visible and draw corner rectangle like before, like this. And ensure this point and this point, click Ctrl and hold on the keyboard and click make vertical. For thickness in here in 10 millimeter. And for this edge to this center of the part, distance in 40 millimeter. Automatically we can check this to this edge in 80 millimeter. Appropriate this drawing. So after that we can to for display setting, for display style we can change again in set line like this, and click again feature and click curve, click split line. For face, click this cylinder face and click this face. Checklist or click on single direction like this to below and just click OK. And we can see a new face like this face and this face. And just click lofted boss again. Click this face and this face for profile and drag this point. You can see you can make this point and this point like this and this. You can to adjust to make a rib like this. You can to drag this point or green point for the lofted boss. You can drag like this and like this and like this, maybe in like this. Okay, just click OK, and done. We just to make a rib on cylinder surface. We can hide this plane like this, and we can to change for appearances. Select all the feature and click here. Maybe the color is here, and for the color For face of hole, we can change in white. This face, this face, this face, this face, and this face. Okay. Thank you for watching until the end video. Thank you very much. I hope this tutorial help you, especially for beginners, to learning how to make part which have a ribs on cylinder surface like this. I apologize if there are any mistake of this material. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial.